RAF fitness test comprises of the following 3 elements: the multi-stage fitness test, also known as the bleep test, 1 minute max effort press-ups, and 1 minute max effort sit-ups. The best way to ensure you'll pass your fitness test is to practice all the elements of the test as often as possible. Here are some hints and tips to help you successfully pass your RAF fitness test. Starting with the multi-stage fitness test, here are some ways which can help you practice. The first being to take part in practice fitness tests at your station if they are available, completing the compatible treadmill multi-stage fitness tests, or running the multi-stage fitness test outside between 2 landmarks, for example 2 lampposts that are 20 metres apart. The multi-stage fitness test primarily uses your aerobic energy systems. However, it's important that you also include some anaerobic training within your sessions. As the levels increase, the bleeps become progressively faster, so you need to train your body to be used to the slight speed increments as the test progresses. By incorporating a couple of long, slow runs into your training week, aiming to cover around 1 to 6 miles a session, or travelling for at least 20 minutes will help increase your aerobic capacity. Do not worry if you can't run the whole distance. These sessions can be completed by incorporating some interval training. An example of this would be to jog for 500 metres, then sprint for 100 metres and then do a 200 metre walk. To condition your body for the latter levels of the test, it's important to incorporate some speed-specific sessions within your training. An example session could be to do a 5-minute slow jog, then complete 10 times 15-minute sprints with a rest in between each sprint, and then to finish off with a 5-minute slow jog. The multi-stage fitness test requires you to run between 2 markers which are placed 20 metres apart, therefore meaning that an aspect of the test that needs to be practiced is the turns. See the following steps to ensure a quick and effective turning method. The most effective way to turn is to slightly slow down as you approach the line. Only 1 foot needs to cross the line. There's no need to waste an extra stride in ensuring that both feet cross the line. Touch the line with the body already half turned and then push off with the rear leg. Going on to the muscular endurance aspects of the test, which are the press-ups and sit-ups, a great way to improve on these skills is to add them into your daily routine. For example, every morning when you wake up or before you go to bed, complete 10 to 20 press-ups and 30 plus sit-ups. Or incorporate them into a task which you do every day, such as boiling a kettle. See how many press-ups or sit-ups you can complete in the time it takes for your kettle to boil. Then the next time you do it, add an extra rep on. If you struggle to achieve your press-up standards, then use the following regressions within your training sessions. This could be doing an incline press-ups, kneeling press-ups, or wall press-ups. If you struggle to achieve your sit-up standards, then incorporate core-specific exercises into your sessions. These could include crunches, plank holds, or leg raises. Hopefully these hints and tips will help you successfully pass your RAF fitness test.